Good evening, Namaskar, Vanakkam. It has been really long time that we have met through some new information or something which sparks a light. So today I want to talk something about exercise and a busy routine और सभी का बहाना होता है क्योंकि मेरे पास आज टाइम नहीं था. So if this is the reason, this video is really very useful for you. Stay tuned. Okay. So when you do some sort of a exercise or a physical activity, right, your body changes, it will show a change. And as a matter of fact, when you don't do any exercise or you don't indulge in any sort of a physical activity, your body still changes. How? It starts piling the calories and then it shows in terms of weight. यहाँ से फैट, वहाँ से फैट, पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ से फैट दिखने लग जाता है फिर. So very thankfully our bodies are so smart that if they remain unchallenged for a longer period of time, that they start thinking that the cardiovascular activity, the metabolic activity is no longer of a use and should be kept at the peak. So what it does is the body just runs itself on a minimal functions, right? When you are absolutely sedentary in your life. With this sort of a thinking that body goes into, gives rise to every problem that we face in our day-to-day lives, right from all the metabolic disorders to the major illnesses that we face. Now, is it that difficult to include any sort of exercise routine in your life? No, it's really not. Just like the way being inactive makes your body think that it's of less use, as soon as you start engaging yourself with a good workout or with the exercise routine, your body shifts the focus and says that this is useful. I make sense. I should function. I should optimize the functions of the body, and you can see the improvements in your cardiovascular functions and your metabolic activities. Now, there are ample of exercises, tons of videos available. What I would like to say is, or how would you make it practical, doable, feasible for you, right? There are few days when you have absolutely no time to squeeze in an hour's workout or maybe a 40-30 minutes of workout. Here you can split your day in a casual training. Yes, you heard me right. We call it as casual training. Now, with casual training, what exactly are you supposed to do? You can either stick to one exercise for the day. For example, it could be 200 squats. Please, this is just an example and a random number. It could be one single exercise or it could be various exercises of your choice, of your comfort. Just be sure that you are able to do those workouts. It's very much doable, sustainable and feasible for you. Or it could be some sort of a strength routine or a cardiovascular routine where you set your heart rate high, or it could be a fighter routine that could be included. Now how will you do it? Simple, very simple. Just set an early reminder throughout the day. After every hour that passes, you are going to perform that many repetitions that you have designed for yourself. For example, if it's a sit up, get up every hour, do 30 to 40 sit ups. Just get up, sit, get up, sit. That's like 40 sit ups, and plan it for like 5 to 6 times or 7 times in a day. That ways you reach to the exact volume for the day, right? Even this works for the most busiest days, wherein your body will at least get tricked into the thinking that exercise is on my way, I'm getting something, so I should keep my heart rate, I should keep my metabolic activity at the peak. So you can squeeze in some sort of a strength routine wherein You can indulge in squats, lunges, push ups, decide a number for yourself, or if you want to go for some sort of a fighter routine, then maybe 500 punches in a day. Just get up, stand at your desk at your workplace, or if you're in a kitchen, just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep a count. And with the early reminder, you know you have to move your bums out of the chair and you have to get going. So let me know if this was useful. You can also ping me to get a more clear information on this and how to get going. But the crux of the video was, please don't make an excuse that I don't have time so I don't work out. If you want to do something, you will make time for it. Nobody has ever the time to do anything, believe me. It's all about setting your priorities in a manner that you know what needs to be dealt first. So I wish you all a happy eating and happy working out. Namo Narayana.